Hey, what's going on, you guys? This is your boy Say One History on the Awakened Show, and this video is actually coming from MUFON. This was taken on February 8th of 2020 over in Pine Bush, New York. Now, the young lady says she was actually just taking video shots of the snow in slow motion because it's so beautiful out there, and didn't even recognize this strange blurry object behind the trees here. She initially thought all she was seeing was snowfall, but later on she looked at the footage and noticed that there was something strange about it itself, so she sent it over to MUFON here. Now, looking at this, just in rare glance, this does not look like any snowfall that I've ever seen here. And I'm not too familiar with the wildlife out there, and if they fly in snow like this, I would imagine they do, but it just looks very peculiar. I don't have any clue what this could be here. Please leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. And as always, of course, like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. We try to get you guys out the newest footage that's out there, and the strange ones here at that. So I can't readily identify this one. I can tell you this much here. We have ran it through our scanning software, and this is definitely legit here. There's been no tampering with this footage whatsoever. So there's definitely something in this footage here. With that being said, just leave your comment. Let me know what you think this is. And, we'll all conclude from there. But again, thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys, and you have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.